Welcome everybody, I'm Teresa and this is DeAndre and we're going places. I have here the EcoTank ET-2400 and you have
the ET-2803.
The ET-2400 we're going to be using for our home personal usage.
This one sounds like a droid.
It does.
They both sound like droids.
This one is going to be for our home usage. We're going to be printing out documents, homework,
cards, photos.
Yes, photos.
That's what this one's going to be for. The 2803, we're actually going to convert this one to be a sublimation printer to do our mugs, our hats, our t-shirts, our plates, puzzles, all the sublimation projects. So this is going to be our sublimation workhorse. This is going to be the everyday housework workhorse. So we're going to unbox both and then we're going to install both and run a demo and see how these things really work.
The good thing about both of these printers is that they come with 2 years worth of ink.
Just fill and chill.
So the black, it says it has up to 4,500 pages, and in color ink, it has up to 7,500.
We've had printers where you spend like $60, $70 on cartridges and you print like 4 or 5 pages and you don't use it for like a couple weeks and all of a sudden your cartridges are dry. This is supposed to resolve that problem. So if this resolves that problem of having to spend $60 every couple of weeks because our ink keeps running out, then we in the game. And we finna test it out, we're gonna unbox it, we're gonna run it, and then we're gonna come back in a couple of weeks and let you know how it's really been working for us. So let's try it out.
Let's try it.
All right, so make sure you get all the tape off. There's a lot of tape on that thing. Flip it upside down, make sure you got all of them. After that, you wanna plug it in. Put the power cord right here in the back. Make sure it's in there nice and solid. This is the ink we're gonna be installing. It's the 522. It go right here. Boom, we're gonna start with the black. Flip that back. Bow. Now we just gonna fill and chill. We're gonna do the yellow next, right? We're gonna come with that magenta and then the cyan. After you get all that in, we're gonna check right here. Bow, power showing. Now, that's done. It's gonna take 11 minutes for the ink initialization to complete. Once that's done, you good to go. We're gonna run a little test run right here, right? Put down a little picture of baby boy. Check out the young lion. Let's see what we're talking about. Boom. Yeah, all right, so the ET-2803, we're gonna put it right here next to the heat press. Boom. This is a rinse and repeat kind of thing, just like with the 2400. It's a lot of tape. You gotta remove all of it. It's satisfying though. Couple more pieces. Boom. Now, LCD screen on this one. Clean. Epson Smart Panel. Let's get this printer set up. It's gonna walk you right through it. This one you see me doing the sublimation ink like we said earlier. So the original ink that came with the printer, that 522, you can still use that with any other Epson printer. You just can't run it in your sublimation printer. So we got a whole nother batch of ink that we're gonna use for the printer we're using for the house. But this is the sublimation ink we got going in right now. Let's get it. It's gonna tell you again, it's that same 11 minutes. Just like with the 2400, you gotta let the ink get initialized into the system. It takes that 11. Once that's done, you good to go. It's gonna let you know of any kind of extra firmware updates because it's fresh out the box. But, oh, this one uses an installer too. There's an installer. You may have to put it on your computer, but good luck at watching and all that kind of stuff.